Ka Saw Lyngdoh Higher Secondary School Mokayang, ka Pynkup burom iaka kena puli jongka, kabawan haka kedan kabasan, jongka top 20, jongka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos, jongka Examen Secondary School Living Certificate SSLC, kabalapun pena menhaka nyotrik yayong. Kani ka kena kade ka Jenita Pator, kabadai ru ka kun, jongka principal jongka ka skul ka kong Bari Pator. Ya ka jingalang Pynkup burom, la penlong hapelau ko skul, ha ka kat nyotrik yayong, ha ka jingdon lang kinongelam shnong, kidekot ka SMC, kinongelam ka Meghalaya Pensioners Association, kinohikai ki kena skul, talor ki nong syakot ngobha. Ya ka jingalang la penyai da umasi nong rum, bat la yok ru ka jingkren na ka principal jong ka skul, ka kong Bari Pator, ma W Lyngdoh Vice President Meghalaya Pensioners Association, bat ma hepor mi lalu dekat SMC na lor kiway. Ka Jenita Pator ha ka jingkren, ka penpau ka jing sngungu ya ka skul, kinohikai bat ki kimigik pa ki bala kersyanya ka barabor. Kala kinturu ya ki para kena ban puli kot bha, bat ban minot ban poi syakatong.
First and foremost, I want to thank God because He's graced my life with this opportunity that I know are not of my hand or any other human hand. Without His grace, none of this would have been possible. I would also like to thank my family because they've always believed in me and encouraged me, and that instilled in me the value of education, hard work, perseverance, patience, and discipline. I would also like to offer my deepest gratitude to my teachers. They've provided me with the confidence to figure things out, take risks, walk into rooms that challenge me, embrace discomfort and uncertainty, and to trust that I'm capable of more than I think. It is through their dedication and our hard work that I'm able to be who I am today. My dear teachers, you're like a candle that gives light to others, a gardener who nurtures seedlings with great care so that they can grow and bear good fruits. My friends, you are also an important part of this journey of mine. Your companion, support, encouragement have all been very important to me, and together we have created memories, and I will always cherish them. To all the members of the SMC of Saw Lyngdoh Higher Secondary School and the Meghalaya Pensioner Association, Jawai Branch, I thank you for organizing this program because truly it inspires students like me to aim higher and strive for excellence. Your recognition, support, and encouragement means a lot. The journey of class 10 was no fairy tale for me. The feeling of being confused, not knowing where to begin, how to start, and getting lost numerous times. I never had the perfect routine. But my friends, it's never about the perfect routine. I may get lost, but I was resilient. All you need is resilience, consistency, perseverance. We should never be ashamed of trying. The truth of trial is that they are natural and we will face them in our everyday journey. The truth about trial is that they reveal our true strength. When everything is easy, we don't know what we are capable of. But when we face many challenges, we are pushed beyond our limits. We need to think differently and adapt to situations. One important truth about a trial. Another truth about trial is that trial helps growth. Without trial, growth is limited. It cannot be achieved properly. Another thing about trial is that it cannot be achieved without failure. It is a process. Trials help us to perfect ourselves. Many successful people have not achieved their goals without trials. It is the trials who make us the person who we are. So don't be afraid of failure. You should not be afraid of failure, but you should, however, do your best to avoid it. This achievement of mine is not alone. It is the collective work of all, my friends, my teachers, and my family. Success has taught me that it is not about the destination, but it's about the journey we take to get there. It's about learning from the failures and keeping our spirits when we feel down. Success is about consistent hard work, dedication, determination, discipline, and the courage when everything is difficult. Once again, I would like to thank everyone present here today for this honor and encouragement. Thank you.
We are waiting for this topper almost every year. And in the year 2015, my first daughter is less by 5 mark. In those days, we were so desperate that this 5 mark goes out from our hands. And we waited and waited until 2021 during lockdown. We are able to achieve the highest milestone in the history of our school, that my fourth son, who is also the student of this school, secure in the second position, and he is less than 1 mark from the first position. Of course, it is a proud day for our school, but we did not celebrate it in those days because it is a lockdown. We do a little bit of celebration together with the teachers and the school managing committee, along with few of his friends. So of course, I really thank God for his eyes that he looked unto us in the rural areas. Every time we, the teachers and students, also used to compare, we are lagging behind in everything from the school in the urban areas. But by the blessing of God, by receiving this second and fifth position in the ambush SSLC examination, we feel that we, the student, and we, the teachers, we are at par with those schools in the urban areas. It is immensely a great proud for all of us in our institution today. Like what one of our senior teachers said, I am talking here from the school side as well as from the family side. And some of you maybe have seen what type of a student she is. Of course, she is rather a child student. As I used to say, she did not like to sit in front. She always used to sit at the back bench. When I asked her, she said, I am tired to listen to the noise behind me. If I stay at the last bench, no one will shout after me. So I leave up to her will or decision. So today we felicitate her. Today we congratulate her. Now I will tell about her qualities. You see, some of us, we think that we cannot. It is very tough for us. Okay, to secure in the fifth position, I can say that it is not an easy task. She needs to spend countless hours. She needs to sacrifice. She needs to spend many times in reading. But as I say, if there is is what we say, a will. And if there is dedication, and if there is commitment, we will be able to achieve. As a last child in my house, my family, she is the only with me. She did not study all the time. She used to do household work. She used to help me in washing, cleaning, cooking for in the morning or in the afternoon. But she knows the time. If there is any homework, she will not miss. So we have to be success. We have to have time management. We have to know how to manage time. You divide the time, because if we study the whole day also, maybe will become what? Dull. We need exercise, we need practice, we need to do something. So don't think that she is spending her time from morning to night in study. She has done a lot of work at home also. So the more we do, I think the more activities we do, it will help to refresh our brain. But we need consistency. What is the meaning consistency? Continuous, we have to put continuous effort. You should not study only one day full and then you will stop for 1 week. So remember, my dear student, we need consistency. We need to put our work continuous. Do little by little. Don't wait them till the last moment. And we need also cooperation. I am talking this especially to my present student. Be friend with your teachers. Cooperate with your teachers. Treat them as your elder brother or sister. If you have any problem, please come to meet them and they will help you.
So today is a proud and joyful occasion as we gather to honor the remarkable achievement of Jenita Pator, who secured the 5th position in the Secondary School Living Certificate Examination 2026 with the outstanding 95.16%. So her success is a true reflection of hard work. Though we are here in rural areas, the reflection we got is her hard work, discipline, and determination. It is not only a personal achievement, but also a moment of pride to her family, to the teachers, and to the entire school community. So on this moment, I am reminded by one of the inspiring lives history of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As a young boy, he faced great discrimination and hardship in life. Yet he did not give up. Instead, he chose education as his path to success. Through dedication and perseverance, he rose to become one of the greatest leaders of our nation by becoming one of the chief architects of our Indian Constitution. So just like Dr. Ambedkar, Jenita has shown that success comes through commitment, focus, and courage to overcome challenges in life. Her achievement stands as an inspiration to all students that no dream is too big if we are willing to work hard of it. We also take a moment to acknowledge her mother and her family, who serve as a principal of this institution. This achievement is very meaningful. It reflecting not only a mother guidance and support at home, but also the value of discipline and excellence upheld in the school. It is truly a proud moment for both the family and the institution. So we would like to also to express our sincere appreciation to all our teachers for their dedication and guidance, and to her family for the constant encouragement. Dear student, at this moment, let this moment inspire you. Success is not achieved overnight. We have to remember that success is not achieved overnight. It is built through consistency, effort, strong determination, and a positive mindset.
Our school, I think if I am not wrong, I remember a few faced the same thing in the last 2021. One of our students, who is also the elder brother of the same Jenita Pator, he got second in SSLC exam 2021. And there are many years which we are lagging behind of just 2 marks, just 5 marks to get the top 20. So once again, we are so grateful and thankful to all the teachers and Almighty God for all this blessing which have given to each and every one of us. Those are the few achievements which we got regarding the SSLC examination.
Most of the time she is preferred to the back side of the classroom. In back side also to the corner of the classroom. But usually, we the teacher are hoping those students who are sitting in the back rows of the room are not the good student. But Jenita is not like that. Always prefer to the back side. But while she was in the classroom, she never talked. She never disturbed to the classroom, to their friend, and to the teacher also. Very attentive. But whenever we ask any kind of the question, then at the past time, she is the one to be always rising and give the always correct answer. Then later on, slowly, especially myself, I know this student is having some kind of the quality so that she can achieve better in the next. Then later on, day by day, after knowing her performance, then the question is, I was asking always to the last to her, till the students are not possible to give the reply. But during that time also, she is the one always giving the good reply. Sometimes whenever we are giving any classwork, homework, and when we are correcting and checking her answer, I really surprised it. Sometimes the answer she wrote, sometimes the answer she replied is out of our expectation. Sometimes it is better than what I was thinking about the answer also. So like that type of the student she is having. So due to this her competency and understanding and application, determination and the preservation, she achieved her best to the result of this, the whole Meghalaya result. So therefore, my dear students who are at the present in our school also, please try to follow her footsteps. Whatever she is doing in the classroom, while she was in any kind of the examination, while she is in the school, please try to be followed to her steps so that all of you also can be achieve it. If you are having the very good determination like your sister Jenita, why not you also? All of you also can be performed very well. So therefore, please keep your determination, perseverance, then your thinking and your aim, so that all of you can be perform your life to be very successful and very colorful. And again, once more, Miss Jenita, I think to you also a lot, because today, when I see such kind of a gathering to felicitate to you, really our heart is crying it. Because being a teacher, we are dedicate ourselves as much as our capability. And you are showing the result of our work. And so therefore, Jenita, whenever you are going any other places, please keep on your struggle, your hard working, your determination, so that it should be done much better this position also. And wherever you are going, wherever you are attending, wherever you are meeting your friend, will be always blessing to you also. And I also find some kind of the quality for you that if you are decided, so you can be done it very well. So this time, most of the teachers, most of the parents, their children and their students are thinking to become the doctor, engineer, and some others like that. But I just suggest you, I just wish you have the capability to be done better than this kind of the profession. So please be aim for the UPSC exam, try to have the competition to the all India level, and so please try to be appear and try to be attend such kind of the UPSC examination also. Now these days, whenever we are looking every year, the result from the UPSC examination from the Meghalaya, the number of the IAS officer or the IPS officer is become very less. Even this year also, if I am not mistaken, not a single student from the Meghalaya also cannot be become to the IAS or the IFS. So therefore, from my suggestion, Jenita, I am just encouraging you, please choose your own career according to your mind and according to your interest. In the meantime also, please try to be appear and try to be success for this kind of the UPSC examination.
This is a remarkable day, a memorable day, a day of felicitation program on behalf of Ms. Jenita Pator. And I'm pleased to know that in 2021 also the second position, same brothers and sisters, Pator. And I was happy to know that they are the son and daughter of the principal of this institution. My dear students, teachers of this institution, members of the school managing committee, ladies and gentlemen present here, I would like to say that how we come over to this felicitation program, there are three components. That is the toppers, the student. Number two, the guardian or the parents. Number three is the school and the management, the school managing committee and the school. These are the three components. It is due to Jenita, student, who have been hard-working, reaching to the school. I heard from her speech, she always clear her doubts from teachers. and also the member of the school managing committee and the school. What are there in the school? Teachers. I am very much appreciated on the work of the teachers. You leave no stone unturned. Day and night, I should say. You work hard, you dream how to groom, how to guide your student. Because I know that, because when I was a teacher. Sometimes teachers, even nighttime also, are not able to sleep well because think about how to take care student. How these toppers come up, it is due to your hard work, dedicated and devotion as teachers of this institution. We feel proud as the Association of the Pensioner from Jenita Hills. This year, 5th position, that toppers in our district. We expect next year the same physician will come up here and we may come again. That is depend on your work hard.